Good morning, children. Welcome to class 2. Today we will study EVS. So let's start with the first lesson, that is me and my body. In this lesson, we will learn about ourselves and our body. Now you are in class 2 and you have grown a year older. You may also have grown a little taller since last year. Now let's discuss about likes and dislikes. If you look around, you will find that we all are same, but still different in many ways. That is why each one of us is special. Now let's discuss about hobbies. We all like to do different things in our free time. Something that we enjoy doing in our free time is known as hobby. Some of you may like to do painting, singing, dancing, or playing. It means whatever you like to do in your free time is your hobby. Till now, we have discussed about ourselves. Now, we will learn about our body. In class 1, you must have learned that our body has different parts. So, now we will learn more about the parts of our body. Our body is made up of many parts or organs. The parts of our body which can be seen by us are called external organs like head, legs, hands, nose. These external organs helps us to do many things, like our legs helps us to walk. Our hands helps us to write. Now we will learn about internal organs. What are internal organs? The parts of our body which are inside the body and cannot be seen by us are called internal organs like heart, lungs, brain and stomach. The brain controls our body. It helps us to think, learn and remember things. It also helps us to do various activities. If you keep your hand on the left part of your chest, you will feel something beating. Yes, it is the heart. It pumps blood to all parts of your body. Do you know the food which you eat, where does it go? It goes inside a bag-like organ called stomach. Stomach helps us to digest food. We have two lungs. They help us to breathe. Now, the next topic which we will learn about is sense organs. Children, kindly watch the video to be more clear about this topic.
Knowing things. What helps us to know things? John was playing football in the playground. As soon as he enters his house and without going into the kitchen, he comes to know that his mother is baking a cake for him. The cake was very soft and sweet. How did John find out that his mother had baked a cake? When John entered, he got the smell of a fresh baked cake. He rushes to the kitchen and is excited to see the cake. Oops, it's so hot. How did John find out that the cake was hot? John had touched the cake with his finger. This made him realize that the cake was hot. His mother cuts and gives him a slice of the cake. The cake was very soft and sweet. How did John find out that the cake was sweet? John had to eat the cake to get the taste. Like John, each one of us knows and recognizes things around us by touching, smelling, seeing, or hearing. We use different parts of our body to help us know these things. Look at this picture. Can you describe it? Yes, it is a beautiful rose flower. Which part of your body helped you describe the picture? We use our eyes to see things. They help us know the size, color, and shape of things. We can also make out how far or near things are. Mona's mother is working in the kitchen. Oops, It's hot. Which part of the body helps us to feel things? Our skin helps us to feel things. We mostly use our hands and fingers to feel things. We can make out if things are hot or cold, soft or rough by touching the object. If a garbage truck passes near you when you are on the road, you immediately feel the bad smell. Which part of the body helps us to identify things using smell? We smell with our nose. Our nose tells us if something smells nice or bad. There are a lot of crackers bursting outside, and the little baby girl there is closing her ears. Why is the girl closing her ears? We hear using our ears. Our ears tells us if the sound is loud or soft. The little girl has closed her ears to reduce the noise. Tina is eating an ice cream. It is really yummy. Which part of the body helps us to taste things? We taste using our tongue. Our tongue helps us to find if our food is sweet, salty, spicy, sour, or bitter. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are parts of our body using which we sense things in our world. Hence, they are called sensory organs.
I hope you all liked the video. Now let's discuss about how to take care of our body. We should take proper care of our body and keep it clean and fit. We can do this by eating clean and healthy food, having a bath with a soap and water to keep the skin clean and germ free. We should brush our teeth twice daily, once in the morning and once before going to bed. We should not put sharp things into our ears or eyes. We should keep our nose clean and use a clean handkerchief to do so. We should not watch television or a computer for a long time. We should do some exercises like yoga and play sports to keep ourselves healthy. Hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you for watching it. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.